The Frigidaire 241505501 door shelf bin is a true lifesaver for disorganized refrigerators. It's like finding a hidden treasure chest for your condiments and jars. This clear bin, specifically designed for Frigidaire refrigerators, fits perfectly. It replaces broken or missing shelves with ease. Furthermore, installation is a breeze. You simply slide it into place. This shelf instantly restores order. It transforms chaos into calm. Moreover, its transparent design lets you see everything. No more rummaging endlessly. Therefore, you save time and effort. This Frigidaire refrigerator door shelf is an essential upgrade. It makes your fridge more functional. This genuine Frigidaire refrigerator door shelf feels sturdy. It holds many items securely. For instance, you can store tall bottles. Also, small jars fit perfectly. Consequently, your fridge space is maximized. This bin acts like a silent guardian. It keeps everything upright and contained. Furthermore, spills are less likely. Therefore, cleaning becomes easier. It's a small change with a big impact. Ultimately, this shelf helps organize your groceries. It's like giving your fridge a promotion. Your favorite items are always visible. Thus, meal prep is simplified. In conclusion, this Frigidaire 241505501 door shelf bin is a must-have. It's an inexpensive solution, yet it offers immense value. Additionally, it truly enhances your refrigerator's usability. This Frigidaire refrigerator door shelf improves access. It also adds storage. Overall, it's a smart investment. You will appreciate the extra space. Moreover, your fridge will look neater. It's a simple, effective upgrade. Get yours today for a more organized kitchen. Pros: fit perfectly, cheaper than parts store. Good fit for my Frigidaire, fits our Frigidaire. Gallery: fits for the large bin, fits perfectly, glad to buy from Amazon, company I trust. Fits my fridge perfectly, fits like the original. Cons: expensive for what it is, not the right bin, does not fit Frigidaire model, much too expensive. Product box with severely damaged features. Clear plastic construction, refrigerator door bin. Model 241505501 genuine Frigidaire part. Easy to install, helps organize fridge, holds bottles and jars, durable material, replacement. Part, transparent design. This is a clear plastic shelf for your refrigerator door. It's a genuine Frigidaire part. Model 241505501. You can use it to hold bottles and jars. It's easy to put in and helps keep your fridge neat. The shelf is strong and see-through. It's a good replacement if your old one broke. This Frigidaire 241505501 door shelf bin generally fits perfectly in various Frigidaire refrigerator models, including the Frigidaire Gallery, and is often cheaper than what you'd find at a parts store. Many users found it to be a good replacement for the original, especially for the larger bins. However, some found it too expensive for a plastic bin and, in a few cases, it did not fit specific Frigidaire models. There were also isolated reports of damaged packaging.